Hey there, folks! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of online income. You'd be surprised to know that there are numerous ways to make a living from the comfort of your own home. Let's dive into 5 of them. 1. Blogging. If you have a unique perspective or a passion for a certain subject, consider starting a blog. Monetize it with ads or affiliate links and make some money as people read your content. 2. Freelancing. Whether you're a designer, writer, programmer, or social media expert, freelancing can be an excellent way to use your skills and earn money online. You can create your own schedule and work with clients from around the globe. 3. Online surveys. Many companies are willing to pay for your opinion on their products or services through online surveys. Although earnings may be small, they can add up over time if you do them consistently. 4. Drop shipping. This business model involves selling products without ever needing to stock them yourself. Find an item you think will sell well, then partner with a supplier who will ship it directly to the customer when you make a sale. It's hands-off and scalable. 5. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services by others on your website, social media platforms, or through email campaigns, and earn commissions on any sales resulting from your efforts. The key here is to find products that resonate with your audience for maximum success. There you have it. 5 ways to earn money online. Remember, consistency is key. Keep at it and watch your earnings grow over time. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more interesting content like this one. Until next time.